Oh my god, the whole floor is about to cave in. Look at these walls. This is like a carpet. So we found our way in. We're here in Jersey, an abandoned train car restaurant. And this is it. There's the road. Kind of weird, but I'm gonna step on this old TV. And I'm gonna go right in. Okay, we're just going in now. Even got a little piano. Still got some of the tables left. You can see right out the window. Nice little creek. This is probably a cool place, honestly, back in the day. And like, we're right by the road. That's the road. Road's right there. We continue down, got some more tables. And then I think let's check this way out. This is just part of the train car here. Right down this tight little hallway. And this actually was a train. There's another way in here. See that big lock? But keep exploring. See what we can find. Here's like a kitchen. Oh, it's got a basement. Let's see what's back here. It's like a little mini kitchen. These are probably the plates they used back in the day when this place was up and running. Let's see what else we could find. I'm gonna try to go back downstairs. There's a staircase right here. Oh yeah, definitely an old restaurant. Got some pots and pans. This place is pretty massive. So here's their freezer, which is seized up. Stick the camera in there. Still got some stuff in there. Out this way though first. See this full place. This is completely pitch black, dark in here. Here's the old oven. That's cool. It's got some cups on top. It's very weird in here. The oven's cool. Got some insulation in there. Here's another cooler. Damn, that's a big walk-in cooler. Pretty huge. What else we got in here? Stove tops. Another type of stove. Here, Jerry's got some, oh, this must have been where you could wash dishes if you look in there. Got the dishes in there. Damn, this place is massive. Just keeps on going and going and going. Must have been someone's office. What are these? Little, like, MasterCards? Never seen that before. Someone's name on it. Must have been like an office building that just sunk down. There's some beds in here. More storage. It's supposed to be in like the front area where you'd come in. Looks like I had a bar here. Oh my god. The whole floor just sunk in. Not gonna step over here. Show you guys the bar. Oh my god, the whole floor is about to cave in. There's a huge fireplace. I gotta get out of here. Oh. Whew, I stepped down, the whole floor just like caved in, honestly. So, not about that life. Really not much, is there? Super decayed. Sorry, just stepped on a cup. Got some microwaves in here. That's unique. Got some plates left. This place is probably popping back in the day. But not so much now. I'm just doing the exact opposite. Not sure what this is. This must have been like a dishwashing section. You can see it's got the buttons here. Still got the dishes. Most of them are smashed on the ground. There's a bunch over there still in perfect condition. Pretty neat. That's the whole front section. Whoa.
What?
Oh my god, the floor is so unstable right here. Yep. I think this is cool.
Yeah.
This was called the Riverside, this place. Saturdays. Look at the Riverside. Sunday night cleanup. This is all for the employees. I like seeing stuff like that. That's cool.
Yeah.
This is
I
cool.
thought that was interesting.
I still had these.
Yeah. All the stuff that goes on top of the tables and shit. Like wallpaper, I guess.
Oh yeah, it's got cool wallpaper.
It should be okay.
Oh yeah, urinals. Hey, oh this is pretty cool. Like the design. Got the mirror. What up, players? Wash the hands. This place got the classic bando smell. Oh, look at this thing. This old school vacuum. Trapeze. Here's the behind the bar. Oh yeah, here's all the chairs. Everything. Oh yeah, the floor is fucking wavy in here. Or I can give me one of them wavy floors.
Doesn't feel too bad.
No, I think if we just walk lightly, it would be good. Yeah, here's all the chairs. This must have been part of the restaurant inside. People would come in here to eat. Or you can eat in the train car. I don't know how it worked. I never even heard of this place. Look at this room. This is all velvet walls. Look at these walls. This is like a carpet. Look, someone stacked these chairs. That's cool. Yeah, just more chairs, really. The room, this is called Chair Room. There's our little stage.
Yeah, guys, we're actually in Chernobyl right now.
This is Chernobyl. I'm curious where the upstairs is. Oh, there's a nice shando.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even know that.
Got the shando in the bando. Yeah, we were gonna try to go over here, but you can tell it's completely collapsed. And it's just, I can even like push my foot into the ground, so not gonna risk that one. Not today. Yeah, well, that's where we were before. We were just in that room. That's where the back kitchen is. Yeah, you can see, like, that's all collapsed over here. This is literally, like, going at a downwards angle. The whole ceiling's coming down. It's not looking too good for this place anymore. We knew this place had it upstairs. Always walk on the side. The stairs are almost collapsed. Oh wow, this place is pretty, destruidito. This was definitely someone who was like, this is someone's house. Look at the floor. You're good, come up.
Wait, what?
Come up. The floor is sunken over there. Someone was doing something with this.
Nice floors though.
The curtains.
It's weird.
It is weird as
It does
fuck.
still feel like sloped though.
It is. Look at the, yeah, you can see how sloped it is over there. Bathroom. It's in here. Closet. Has like the look. No sink. Someone scrapped the sink. This is so freaking creepy. Bathroom is like weird.
Yeah. Well,
This is the room. Insulation. That's weird looking. This place is so old. I'm sketched out to walk on this. Wow, this is so fucking creepy in here. Here's a closet. Still got the lonely hanger and the bed. If anyone wants to rent out a room, we're charging $600 a month. And you know what? We're not going to pay to fix it up. That's the last part of this place. The kitchen. We found the kitchen. Just some cabinets. An old stove, probably from like the 70s. Old pots and pans. Oh. Sorry.
you're taking me by.
Anything good cooking? Not yet. Soon. Once one of you guys rents out this apartment, you could be cooking up a storm. Don't worry about the black mold. This doesn't affect your health. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This was the death house part of the restaurant. This is the couch I just flipped over. Looks like someone was definitely living on this thing at one point. Looks like a futon style. Yeah, so this was a weird, unexpected find up here. But, we're gonna head down. Hopefully we don't die heading out of here. And yeah. Here it is. If you haven't already, hit that red button, subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Till next time, get out, always explore more. Peace. Let's get out of here. We're gonna make our way out. There's a little mini bando for you guys if you're ever in Jersey. Come check it out. You know, don't fall like me. And just like that, we're out. Wow.